In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your text using cool text. Okay, so as you see here, you have all different styles that you can choose from here. Okay, so I'm just going to go with white here. Okay, and then all you do is you put in the text you want. Let's see exactly what I said here before. So VW van renovations for the complete moron. You notice that we did renovations and spelled it right. So VW van. Okay, now I would do a separate one for the complete moron rather than doing it all in the one font here. Okay, so now we can go down here and adjust the text size. Okay, and you get a preview of it up there. Okay, and then you have your glow color and your outer text color and so on. So you can change what you want here, so shadows, etc. So alignment top left. Okay, image width 600, image height 100. Okay, PNG with transparency, that's what you want. Let's create the logo. So we'll download it. Okay, so I'm just going to rename this now, and I'm just going to call it Renovations, just so we know what piece of text that is. Okay, so let's go back to paint.net. All right, now I'm going to delete these two layers. So delete. And delete. Okay, and now I'm going to do import layer, import from file. I'm going to bring this in. Okay, so that was a little small there. So I'll just spread it out a bit. Okay, now you see that this looks much better. Okay, so there's that one. Now I need to go back and create for the complete moron and put it in here. So back to cool text. Okay, let's create another one. And maybe we can try a different one here. You can do what you want. I'm going to use a different one from the main headline. Okay, so I'm going to use outline. Okay, so we're going to tone that down a bit. Okay, so you can make any changes to it you like here. Let's create it. Okay, let's download. Okay, so let's deselect this now. And we're going to do layer, import. Okay, so we'll stretch out a little bit. Okay, so something like that. And deselect. Okay, and there. You now have your cover art ready. So what we want to do now is we're going to save this twice. We're going to do a file and we're going to save, and we're going to save it as a PDN file. Okay, so that'll make it so that we can come back in and edit it. So let's just call it sample 1. And now we're going to do a save as, and then we're going to change it to a PNG. Okay, so that's good like that. Flatten. Okay, and our e-cover art is ready. Okay, so that's it for that. Now, in the next video, we're going to go and we're going to create our 3D e-cover.